Every insurance policy has what's called a representations or warranty section. What that section states is essentially we, the insurance carrier, collected some information from you as the client. We took that information, we digested it, and we gave you a policy with a set of terms and conditions at a premium and a limit based on that information. In the event we find out that information wasn't true or accurate at point of claim, here is how we may treat that. Okay? And while there are much better baselines in more established types of coverage, like general liability, like professional liability, cyber is still young enough that those representations or warranty clauses are on a wide spectrum right now. So to give you two quick examples, you have your best in existence, which is an innocent non-disclosure. So essentially they say, we will not deny any claim or seek to deny any claim unless we can prove that the misinformation was reckless or deliberate on your part. So they're actually saying there has to be a causal link. We have to find a causal link that you knew that deceiving us would expose us to this. That's a pretty favorable representations clause as a client, especially in such a dynamic world like cybersecurity, where the answers of today may not be the answers of tomorrow, right? Conversely, there are representations or warranty clauses that exist that say if we find out that anybody, not only you, but potentially your insurance agent, somehow gave us something that was misinformation, which that becomes challenging because you've got the telephone game, right? You may tell something to me or to a broker, and they may try to summarize it and miss a critical element in that summarization, which now becomes misinformation. If that happens at any time, then we can void the policy ab initio, so at its initiation, right? And we owe you no liability or duty. And then there's ones in between that are balanced, if you will, right? But that's, I think, more important than some of the deck sheet oriented policy triggers is really understanding where your representation or warranty clause sits.
So translation for those listening or watching, do not embellish information on your application thinking that you're going to get a better premium, because when you need it, you're going to find out that your premium is just going to get returned to you. The insurance company is going to write you a check back for whatever you paid. And you might not, you should have just not had insurance in the first place.
Boy, is that true. Yeah, boy, is that true. And the other thing here, too, is if you're working with a good brokerage firm and you're working with good carriers, the understanding is that we're all vested together in this interest of finding you that right policy that responds in your time of need, right? And we're all vested as well in hoping that you never have to use the insurance, right? Yes, insurance is a safeguard that many people should have, but the first step is risk management, risk control, right? So we at the brokerage level can help make introductions and even offer proprietary discounts to our clients in the cybersecurity realm. In addition to that, carriers are also engaging in master contracts with national service providers in critical areas that they can offer on, in some cases, a free basis or a discounted basis to their policyholders. So you may say, I don't have white labeling or whitelisting right now, and they may have a tool for you that's free. And they may just make it a condition of taking the policy that you prove that you installed the tool or agent, right? So you're not losing, you're benefiting because they've now given you something for free that mutually protects everybody, right? So you're absolutely correct. Don't embellish, don't answer in a hopeful state, answer true and honest, and we'll correct what we need to correct as we go along.